All right, first one of these in a while. First of many, I'm assuming. This is page 180 from yesterday's homework, 15b II. We have 12 times 4x minus 1 squared plus 17 times 4x minus 1 minus 5. 4x minus 1 showing up twice. We can treat this like 12x squared plus 17x minus 5. We are letting 4x minus 1 equal x for now. Just to make it simple so we can factor this bad boy. So, set up our brackets. Now this one's a little trickier in that it's just going to be 5 and 1 for our factors here, 5 and 1 or 1 and 5. The 12, there's lots of options. With 12, you can have 2 times 6. It can be 6 times 2, 3 times 4, 4 times 3, 1 times 12, 12 times 1. Lots of options. The signs are different here, which means the signs are going to be different here. It's positive, negative, so they're going to be different here. But we're definitely going to have a 5 and a 1. Doesn't matter which way you put it. 5 and a 1. Now you have to think of what factors of 12. Usually we're thinking the factors over here. What factors here, using the 5 a little bit, can give us 17? Let's say, okay, if this is 6 and 2, 6 is not going to multiply the 5. So it's going to be 10x. And that's a 2, so if this is 6, 10x and 6x. 10 and 6 don't add up to 17, and also because the signs are different, we're going to need to find the difference to give us 17. If we do 4 and 3, let's say if this is 4, so that's going to be 4x and 5x. Oh, sorry, that's 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 4 and 15, not going to work. If this was 3, and this was 4, so that'd be 3x and 20x. There we go, 3x and 20x. 20 minus 3 is 17. So I said this was going to be the 3x, and then this is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. The bigger combination needs to be positive. 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times 4 is 20. This is the positive one. This is negative. 3x times 1, that's negative 3x. 5 times 4x is positive 20x, so it's 20x minus 3x. Sure hope that makes sense. It's tough when nobody's here to give me instant feedback. So that's it. We factored it. We got it, except now we got to substitute this back in for the x's, which means 3 times 4x minus 1 plus 5, and then 4 times 4x minus 1 minus 1. Simplify. 3 times 4, 12x. 3 times negative 1, negative 3. 5 is just hanging around. 4 times 4x, 16x. Negative 4. And then the negative 1 is just hanging around. Simplify. 12x plus 2. 16x minus 5. And we're done. Whoopsie, couldn't see it. Now we're done. Hopefully that makes sense. I have 16D to do or something. I got to double check. But hopefully that makes sense.